This is one of the best scholarships for this year that you cannot afford to miss it. So they have full tuition fee offset. You can see here, living allowance, stipend, top-up living allowance. For example, if you need additional funding on top of base stipend, fixed sum or one-off payment, overseas student health cover, that means it covers your health insurance, and this is open for both domestic student and international. So the name of the university is, of course, Graduate Research Scholarships at Macquarie University, Sydney, Australia. So on this video, I am going to show you the eligibility criteria, how to go about the application, the practical base, and the document you need, and everything in between that we find on the web. So let's get started. First of all, we start with the deadline. So you see I have the deadlines. Major scholarship round date for session 1 2026 that you're about to study. So for international research scholarship round, it opened on the 16th of June. We are now in August. An application was due 31st July. This one has already closed. So we are targeting this one, International Road to Research Scholarships. So it opened on the 16th of June. So the deadline is 31st of October. We are now in August 5th, the day this video was published. So do try and send in your application before the 31st of October, which you have 2 months to apply. So just so you know about the deadline, and put that in your diary and then start working towards it. So check your eligibility criteria. So applicants for graduate scholarships at Macquarie University must meet the minimum entry criteria to the relevant course of your study. So you can read this on your own. So let's go straight down to, these are types of scholarship that you can still find. Let's go straight down to how to apply. So you click here, how to apply page, it will give you this page. So before we talk about how to apply, it would be nice so this is how to apply page. First of all, if you're doing masters by research, you need to explore the graduate research degrees, which you can found here. Once you are here, you would find your program, study masters MRS, grad deep and grad cert certificate, Doctor of Philosophy. So you can research that. Once you meet or you see the course that you want to study, you come back here, you review fees and costs. At this point you are looking for obviously scholarship. So which leads us to number 3 of this, find a research scholarship. First you review the funding opportunities for research, which we looked at it before, and use a research tool. These ones are quite simple. We don't want to don't want to delve into it in full. Good. So you find a supervisor and develop your research proposal with that as the next step.